Are you captivated by the beauty and ease of container gardening, but unsure what plants go in which pots? Here are some simple guidelines to get you growing. The most important part of container gardening is choosing the right size pot for your plant. An 8 to 10-inch pot is perfect for small herbs. You can also plant a single lettuce in here or a single strawberry plant. So a 14 to 18-inch pot is going to be great for your smaller vegetables. So think broccoli, cauliflower, your collards, a determinate tomato, and a smaller pepper. Now for your larger vegetables, you're definitely going to want to use a big pot. So this is a 24-inch pot. It's going to be great for your indeterminate tomatoes, your larger peppers, a squash, a zucchini, and a cucumber. They're really going to need this room to give you that harvest you want. You can use a traditional terracotta pot. These are relatively cheap, but they're also not too weather hardy. So basically you need to bring them in during the winter because they're prone to cracking. Terracotta pots also dry out relatively quick, so you're going to need to be checking them more frequently. Another option is using a glazed ceramics pot. So they're pretty sturdy, they can be a little bit more on the heavy side, but they're also pretty weather resistant, so you're not going to need to be bringing this in and out every winter. Another great option is plastic. So plastic is very lightweight, it comes in a bunch of different colors and styles, but because it's lightweight, it can be a tipping risk. So if you have a pot that you're letting dry out completely in between watering, and you have a very top-heavy plant, such as a tomato, you run the risk of that tomato plant falling over. So you want to make sure if you're really watching that watering. Another great option is a concrete planter. This is more of a permanent option, so you're not going to be wanting to move that around. So once you place that concrete planter, you're going to want to keep it there year after year. Choosing the proper container size and material will make the perfect home for your veggies and herbs.